So today I'm going to show you all my fidgets. So first we have these. They're my favorite. You can bend them and they glow in the dark. And then this, pop it. And another pop it. And this tangled toy. It's so fun. And then this, I don't know if it's really satisfying, but yeah. Then I have some slinkies. I got these. They're like little people. They're really. Aww, got these from Arizona. Why did you have to die today? Ugh. You were my favorite one. Well, I got these. This used to go, but the sound side of it is kind of satisfying. This thing, I don't know either it's satisfying or not. These are super fun. And this, I just sharpened a plastic straw. I got the idea from YouTube. Making my own squishy. I got this pick-me pop, and I took this out of it, so it's like I have a color changing mesh ball. I forgot her name. This thing. Don't ask what this is. My only squishies. This thing. And of course, fidget spinners. These things. They lost a lot of stuff in it. This thing. I just got this because it's like a squishy. Because I need more squishies. And I just have a lot of marbles. And I heard that you could get a Pop-It toy and store marbles inside of it. What about me? Nope. And this is also kind of like a squishy. This was kind of satisfying to do this. The cube that I've never ever been able to solve. Okay, I don't really think this is satisfying. I just really want to show you. Look, a little person. Hey, get back here. Bye, guys. What's that?